slow speed, fast speed, synchronize, super fast.
Hi, my name is Lionel.
Hi, and I'm Holly.
And today we're gonna wipe away negativity. Bak kata pepatah, sediakan payung sebelum hujan.
Or in Chinese, 未雨绸缪.
That's right. Anyways, today we're gonna look at some Hello wipers for your rainy day.
So jom, sediakan wiper sebelum hujan.
So Hella's cleantech wipers come in a flat blade design. Unlike conventional wipers with that steel spine, I think this looks modern, it looks sleek, and there's also a little bit of an aerodynamic feature thing going on.
Yeah, and if you worry that it doesn't suit your car, fret not, because this curvy shape here suits any type of windscreen. Another interesting fact is that this rubber strip comes with high-performance graphite coating.
What does that do, honey?
Well, it's more durable compared to the conventional wiper, and it also provides a more uniform wiping experience too.
Honey, how often do you change your wipers?
Never. Well, okay, I know, I have to change, but I just don't know when is the right time for me to change my wiper. And I think it's gonna be difficult for me to change by myself.
Well, not really. But you will know when to change your wipers when it doesn't wipe properly. You know, it leaves water all over the windscreen, and it makes this squeak, squeak, squeak sound.
Alright.
So you know it's time to change wipers. And with Hella's multi-adapter system, it is pretty easy. You don't have to worry whether will this wiper fit my car. It will fit most cars in our market.
Alright, let's unbox this and let's see what's happening inside.
Yep. Yeah, come on, you can do it.
Alright, let's see.
In pieces.
Oops.
Wow. Okay. Yes, honey, it's not that difficult.
Are you gonna help me?
No, you're doing great.
What?
Yep.
Okay, let's. Slowly but surely. Okay, so I have this small thing coming out. What else do we have here?
Inside the box, we have the wiper blade, of course. We have the adapters, and we have the user manual. The rubber strip is protected, right? Check it out, by this plastic bit. Really clever of them. And it comes pre-installed with the hook adapter. You know, your hook system in your wiper. Just put it in, clip it shut.
Yeah, pretty simple.
That's all there is to it. If your car has the other more common systems like the lock or the pin, there are other adapters for you. You just need to take this out, replace it, and it's also good to go. It's as easy as that. These adapters are part of Hella's Easy Change system, and if you need further instructions on how to install them, you can always check out the QR code available at the back of the packaging.
Well, and there's also a different length of wiper in the market.
These wipers come in sizes of 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, and 28 inches. So, if you want a hella clean windscreen, get it? Check out these products in the link down in the description.
And if you want to see more of our unboxing video or car accessories video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And of course, turn on the notification bell to receive updates on all our latest uploads. That's it from us. We're gonna check out.
Bye!